Hey guys, I'm Ralph with Tires Wheels Direct, and today I want to talk to you about lug nuts. So we're going to go over factory lug nuts, OEM aftermarket, and European. So that way I can showcase you all the lug nuts that are required for the wheel to your vehicle. So let's start off with the factory lug nuts. So factory, let's say for Toyota, has like a swivel onto it. So you'll use something like this with a shank on it and a washer that comes already equipped for OEM vehicles. So it goes for like the Tundras, the Tacomas, and most of the Toyota vehicles. Sort of like this, which is called the radius seat. This one's more for Hondas and Acuras that they use the washer sometimes, and the newer ones don't. Ford also goes with the swivel lug nut for the Ford Transit vans, which is sort of like this. That has like a swivel and then it locks into place. Now going into European. So European, you'll have your conical seat lug nuts, both hex style head and spline head. So the spline, we do supply a key to go with it, so that way it goes in, and then they offered in different lengths. So you can see these are conical seat 60-degree taper. This is mainly for aftermarket wheels. When you go for factory wheels, your factory wheel will have a ball seat. Depending on your Mercedes, BMW, Audi, Volkswagen will have, and Porsche will have a ball seat lug nut for it. So that's explaining it to you. And also you got to double check the length and what you need. You can also call us. We'll know what vehicle you have and what length to offer you. And either a 12 by 1.5, 14 1.5, or 14 1.25. Now going into regular aftermarket wheels, we'll use conical seat, 60-degree taper lug nuts, hex style head, or if it has a covered center cap, you'll use hex style conical seat lug nut. If in case your vehicle is a Toyota or a vehicle that has small studs, you usually carry an extended thread lug nut, sort of like this one. So these are mainly for like Lexus GX, Toyota Tacomas, 4Runners that need the extra thread because the stud is way too short. So you'll have this hex style. We also offer it in spline. We carry the key to go with it. And then open end, if you have a covered center cap, spline version too. So there you have it. And it comes with a 60-degree taper style lug nut. Now going into the classics. So the classic vehicles, sort of like the wheels that are like the Supreme and other rally wheels that have 3 bolt patterns, like 5 4.5, 5 on 120, and 5 on 5. Normally, Krager, you'll use the regular shank style in different lengths depending on your vehicle, and then with the washer to go with it. So that way the washer will determine where the lug nut goes, and then that will secure it in place. So that's for the classic vehicles. So we'll cover all factory, European, and aftermarket OEM. Like if you want to do a aftermarket wheel, you'll use the lug nut. So if you guys are interested or need help on which specific lug nut to use for your vehicle and which wheel, don't hesitate. Feel free to give us a call and we'll be happy to help. Thank you.